Assalamualaikum, and the mercy and a blessing of Allah SWT. Today, I want to discuss aspect of housing in my rented house on the second floor. Located in Puri Tjapang Inda 1 Gang, Tjapang Kalisari, Jakarta Capital Special Region. The house is 8 meter long and 2.5 meter wide. The house rent is located in congested area because it is very dense and the access road is very narrow, not enough to park many vehicles. The roof of the rented house is made of asbestos, so the air is very hot during the day. Because the activities in the rented house are very hot, how to minimize air through windows and fan? Let's go into the rented house. At the front of this house there is an entrance gate and is made of iron material. When open, there is a terrace with a size of 1.2 meters by 2.5 meters, which is used as a motorbike parking area. From that, going inside there are 3 rooms, namely the living room with a size of 3.2 meter by 2.5 meter. Beside the living room, there is a kitchen room measuring 2 meter by 2.5 meter, which has cooking utensil, and the third room has a shared toilet in the size of 1.6 meter by 2.5 meter. Then go up to the second floor. On the second floor, there are 2 rooms. Namely, the bedroom that I and my brother used, with a size of 2.5 meters by 2.5 meters. The door using the sliding door tape is very helpful to relieve the very small size of the room and the hot atmosphere during the day when in the room. There are furniture such as bed, study table, laptop and printing equipment, and clothes. Inside the room there is a lot of furniture, so that it greatly affects the air condition in it, and the glass windows during the day are directly exposed to the sun that enter the bedroom. Okay, now to get to know my rented shelter. Bye and thank you.